Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial and today we'll be doing a dolphin mandala illustration. The first step for this illustration is that I've taken a 12 centimeter long horizontal line approximately somewhere at the center of the sheet, and I have also marked a center point which was at the 6 centimeter mark, and somewhere around the center I'm drawing a dolphin tail. Now I have started with a light blue shade of watercolor and I'll be covering the area around the dolphin tail with this shade. I'm leaving the tail surface empty, but if you get a little pigment in as well, it won't harm. While the surface is still wet, I'll be adding further darker shades of blue. If by chance the surface becomes dry, you can always add a coat of water on top of it. The wet surface enables the colors to flow very naturally and give you nice colorful effects. I'm using light to dark shades of blue. After the blue area has dried up, I'm using a normal student black gel pen to outline the dolphin tail. You can also use a fine liner if you wish. Now this is the favorite part of mine. I'm drawing very thin, closely situated lines following the shape of the top area of the tail. Do not leave a lot of space between adjacent lines. You can also change the shape of the line if you wish. Like from now on, I'll be taking the reference of the lower side of the tail shape and drawing the further lines. I'm repeating the same process on the other side of the tail as well. And for the bottom area of the tail, I'm drawing dotted lines with change of dimension. Now you have to place your protractor with the center of the protractor at the center of the 12 centimeter line and the 0 and 180 degree mark of the protractor at the ends of your 12 centimeter line. And then, keeping the protractor at that specific position, mark points 10 degrees apart each. After you are done with the points, take a ruler and from the center of the line towards each of the 10 degree apart points, join all the points. This will serve as the grid for our mandala. After we are done with the grid, I have taken a compass and I drew 4 concentric circles at random radii onto the grid. Center of the compass was at the 6 centimeter point, which was the center for our mandala. I have started with the first pattern in the mandala grid. I'm here using a fine liner. I'm I'm using fine liners now since I want to apply watercolors after I finish my mandala. You can draw any patterns as per your own wish. Like the patterns I drew here, these weren't pre-planned. I draw patterns according to my own intuition. But if you wish to copy these, it is important that you notice how and where and by what proportions I'm drawing all the patterns. As you can see, for the second pattern, the bottom two lines of each pattern meets the heads of the previous pattern. I'm drawing a leaf-like structure at the bottoms, and I'll be shading in them from bottom to top with very light strokes. This is a rather minute detail in this pattern, so you can slow down and watch it carefully, or you can repeat this clipping again and again. Now I have started with my third pattern. This time the head of the pattern is in alignment with the head of the previous pattern. Lastly, I've moved on to the last pattern. Once again, the bottom two lines of this pattern meets the head of the previous pattern. You can turn your sheet as per your own convenience. After you're done with the patterns, erase the grid lines with an eraser. Now starting with the watercolors, I'm doing the base with a light lemon yellow shade. For this area also, we'll be repeating the process which we had done for the blue area. That is, moving from light to darker shades. So I have started with yellow shades and I'll be moving on to darker shades. Do not apply a lot of darker shades inside the mandala or it won't look clear. Here you are with your dolphin and mandala illustration. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.